Hello. In this video, we will download and install IntelliJ. So for that, we will go to Google Chrome and search for IntelliJ IDE. And we will navigate to the first link that says JetBrains. So we'll go to the link and then scroll down where it says download. We'll click on the download button and then it will navigate us to the downloads page, and then here we want to make sure that we click on the community edition, which is free. The other one we will have to pay for it, and then we select whichever version we have. If we have Intel Mac or we have like the newest version. So here I have just the Intel Mac, so I'll click on the Intel one. So here we can see it's downloading, and once it's done, and then I'll show how we can install it. It's pretty simple, very straightforward process. So once it's downloaded, either you can go to the downloads folder or you can click on the bottom button on the Google Chrome. So here all you need to do is drag and drop to the applications folder and it's done. So your IntelliJ is installed onto your machine, and once you click on it, click on it, and it will just install few more things and it will start up your IntelliJ. And here you, for the first time, you will just confirm the TNCs and then continue. Here I just clicked on don't send. You can click on whatever you want. So here we have our IntelliJ, and in order for us to get started, I'll click on the new project. Here I will name my first project. You can name whatever you want, no problem. And then you will select Java, and then build system is IntelliJ, and then no changes there. You can keep it just same, and then click on create. This will create our new Java project. So here we can see we have our new Java project. We will just click on build. It will take some time for the first time because it's indexing JDK at the bottom. As you can see, that little bar is making some progress down there, and once it's done, you can just click on the play button to run our first Java program. As you can see, I'll click on the play button and then it's compiled and it will run our first program. Thanks for watching. If you like my information, please like, share and subscribe. It motivates me to make more content.